Hey guys, how are we all doing? I am Diddy Dave. Now if you'll be able to go ahead and smash the like button on today's video and subscribe to my channel by pressing that big red button if you are new, that would be greatly appreciated. Now, here we go. Welcome to another camera versus camera video. Now I have already compared my Sony FDR-AX53 that I'm filming this with now to my iPhone SE, but what I thought I'd do today is both of these cameras have built-in slow motion features. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them to the test and see which one is better. This shoots Full HD 1080p slow motion at 100 frames a second, and this shoots Full HD 1080p slow motion at 120 frames a second. So I want to see how these will cope with these very high frame rates. Now it's slightly lower on this, but it should still be very good because this is a very able camcorder, and I've not really used the slow motion features on it before, so we're going to test them out today. What I will do is I'll put a clip in from the AX53, and then I'll put the same clip from the phone in. Let's do this. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that slow motion as much as I enjoyed filming it. Really enjoyed using the slow motion feature in the AX53, which I've like never used before. Just picked it up, used it, simplicity, and I can get those absolutely stunning shots. So it's very simple for anyone to use. The iPhone 1, I've used it a lot more times, but it's still very simple to use and can get some results. But the superiority of the way this camera does it, obviously because it's an expensive camera, it's just absolutely amazing, the results you can get out of this camera. The ones for the phone aren't too bad. It's a built-in feature in a phone. It's absolutely amazing, so you can't go wrong with either of these. Hopefully you have enjoyed this comparison. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do another one on the time-lapse features, because I certainly am willing to do another one because I really enjoyed making this. But hopefully you have enjoyed it, and if you have, make sure you let me know with a like and a subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Make sure you're checking out my vlogs to get more regular content, because I do post quite a bit on there. And yeah, see you all in my next video. Bye!